Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPXA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. What is that question revolving around? Well, the fact that today was a good, solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good, solid day. But that does bring up the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at 92 cents. Why is 92 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 92 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads back here, bounces around, and then bounces back up like that. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. Then you'd have this previous set of lows down here. If you picture, heck, I guess you could have the previous set of lows down there. So if you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps continuing to progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress as time goes forward. Now, preferably speaking, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above that point right there at about 98 cents, that would make the chart look the strongest. But by no means am I saying that if 98 cents fails, that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. That would just be the ideal level. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this price movement is going to continue upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit just to make sure I'm giving myself enough perspective here. So right here at $1.15, which makes sense, is going to be the key level. I say that makes sense because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And back here in the history of the chart, you can see that this level at $1.15 did a great job of holding up support. But however, the price did break below it right there. And now you can see just a classic example of support turning into resistance. Not saying that $1.15 is impossible to break or anything like that. Just saying that it makes sense why the price struggled there today and why the bulls are going to need to bring their A game, to push through it, in the coming future. So all in all, though, anyway, slice it. Very nice day. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.